Rise from the ashes. Rise from the pain. Hearts of the fallen
will thunder again.
We came with empty hands beneath the burning sun, built dreams from dust and stone, where rivers learn to run.
Our fathers carried storms, our mothers carried flame. They gave their sweat and tears, but never lost their name.
We walked through silent years, with scars no eyes could see, bound by the weight of hope, still longing to be free.
The world may call us broken, forgotten in the rain, but deep beneath the ruins, our fire still remains. From the fields, from the roads, from the homes we built alone, from the pain, from the cries, a new dawn will arise.
Rise, rise, let the thunder shake the sky.
Rise, rise,
We were never born to die. Raise your hearts, raise your hands, let the broken stand again.
rise, rise, from the ashes we will rise.
They try to dim our voices, they try to bend our will, but mountains do not crumble when the wind is standing still.
We are the sons of struggle, the daughters of the flame. Every tear that touched the earth is calling out our name.
No more walking in shadows, no more heads held low. The blood of ancient courage is waking in our soul.
We are not the forgotten, we are not the weak. We are the roaring silence that has finally learned to speak. From the dust, from the night, from the wounds we hide inside, from the chains, from the lies, a new people will arise.
Rise, rise, let the thunder shake the sky.
Rise, rise, we were never born to die.
Raise your hearts, raise your hands, let the broken stand again.
Rise, rise, from the ashes we will rise.
For every hand that built the road, for every back that bore the load, for every dream they cast aside, we carry them with burning pride.
We are the roots beneath the ground, we